How to upload a long video on WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a long video on WhatsApp status easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Play Store and search for Video Splitter. And once you search that, simply click on the specific app, and once you've done that, simply click on Install. And after tapping on install, simply wait for the app to download. And once the installation is complete, open the app and grant the necessary permissions by clicking allow. And after that, import your video by selecting it from your gallery. And once you have imported the video, inside the app, you will see options to split the video into 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 16 seconds clip. You can also use the custom split bar to adjust the duration or trim the video to select the exact start and end points. For this video, I'll keep it as it is and choose 30 seconds. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna simply tap on save, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, select a preferred quality. For this video, I'll go with 1080p. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna simply tap on start. And in a few moments, it will split into separate clips. Now I'm gonna simply tap on view files to see the split video clips. And after that, I'm gonna simply tap on share all button. And from the sharing option, I'm gonna simply select WhatsApp. And once I'm inside the WhatsApp, I'm gonna simply click on my status. And after selecting that, I'm gonna simply click on the arrow button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And finally, after that, I'm gonna simply tap on the send button. And after that, a long video will be posted in multiple parts on your WhatsApp status. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a long video on WhatsApp status without any hassle. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.